So you've just made a payment to DSTV to clear any overdue balance, but you're still getting your TV to show you an E16 error message and your services haven't come back yet. So we're going to show you what to do to fix that online. And then if you keep reading on the blog, there's a few provisos and checks that you need to make if this doesn't work. So to do so, click on the self-service menu, go to fix errors, and select the E16 code, and then choose your decoder. If you do not see a decoder shown here, it's because your services aren't active. Potentially you haven't paid in too long a period, and if that's the case, you will need to phone DSTV in order for them to reactivate your services, and this solution doesn't work. If your services are still active but they just missed a payment or you're getting an E16 message, then this should work for you. You click on there and say fix now. And then your picture should come back. So hopefully that worked for you. If it didn't work for you, then you will need to give DSTV a call on the number that's relevant to your area, and you can click in the blog for the links to the multi-choice contact numbers.